Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use supply chain by Amazon. Using Amazon supply chain services specifically through Amazon supply chain can enhance your e-commerce operations by leveraging Amazon's logistics, fulfillment, and inventory management capabilities. Here are the steps that you can take to get that done. First of all, you need to understand Amazon supply chain services. The first thing is the fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon stores, packs, and ships your products, handling customer service in returns. Then the Amazon Vendor Central allows manufacturers and wholesalers to sell products directly to Amazon, which then sells them to customers. Then the Amazon Marketplace is for sellers who want to sell directly to consumers, handling their own shipping, but can still use Amazon services for logistics. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to create your Amazon seller account. If you haven't done that, I'm going to show you how to get that done. From your Amazon website, hover over the Account and List tab, and from the drop-down menu, click on Start a Selling Account. And that's going to open up this page for you where you can now follow the prompts to create an account. So click on the Sign Up button and follow through the prompts to sign up. Once you click on that, you're going to be presented with a form for you to just register your business. You're going to ask a lot of questions about your business, so ensure that all the documents are ready before you start the process. I do not have a legal business, so I cannot create a seller account because all the information they will need should be, of course, legal information. So let's say you have followed through this prompt and you have created a seller account. The next thing to do is to start doing the following things I'm going to show you. First, select your supply chain model. First off, you need to choose between FBA, Vendor Central, and Merchant Fulfilled Network. That's the MFN. If you're using the FBA, I'd like you to know that it is ideal for sellers who want Amazon to handle logistics. This includes storage, packaging, and shipping of products. If you're using Vendor Central, this is suitable for manufacturers who want to supply products directly to Amazon. And if you're using the Merchant Fulfilled Network, that's the MFN, it's for sellers who want to maintain control over their inventory and shipping. Now, set up your inventory management. Integrate an inventory system or integrate inventory systems. Use Amazon's inventory management tools or integrate third-party software to keep track of stock levels across all channels. Then do a thing called automatic replenishment. So set up alerts and systems for automatic replenishment to avoid stockouts. Also, you need to source your products by using supplier relationships. So build relationship with suppliers for consistent product availability and use Amazon sourcing tools or third-party suppliers. Then you can also use product selection. Choose products based on market research, demand trends, and profitability. Next thing to do is to optimize your listing, which is very important. Write clear and compelling product titles, descriptions, and use high-quality images to attract customers. Include relevant keywords for better search visibility. Then analyze competitor pricing and set your prices competitively. Consider using Amazon's pricing tools to adjust prices dynamically. Now, select your fulfillment options. If you're using FBA, ensure your products are prepared according to Amazon's guidelines for storage and shipping. Then create shipment plans to send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Use Amazon's reporting tools to analyze sales performance, inventory turnover, and customer behavior. Then monitor key performance indicators to assess the efficiency of your product supply chain, such as order defect rates and fulfillment times. Enroll your products in FBA to qualify for Prime shipping, which can enhance visibility and sales. Now use Amazon's logistic capabilities to offer various delivery options, including same-day or next-day delivery if available. You also need to utilize Amazon customer service support if you're using the FBA. Respond to customer inquiries and issues promptly. Follow Amazon's guidelines for handling returns efficiently and streamline the return process to enhance customer satisfaction. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's policies and guidelines for sellers, including product restrictions and listing requirements. Then conduct regular audits of your listings and inventory to ensure compliance and avoid account suspensions. Use customer feedback and reviews to identify areas for improvement in your supply chain processes. Be flexible and ready to adjust your sourcing, fulfillment, and sales strategies based on market trends and consumer needs. So by effectively using Amazon's supply chain services, you can streamline your e-commerce operations, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. Regularly monitor performance and stay updated with Amazon's evolving tools and services to maximize your success. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.